Hi! In front of me is Oppo A53s, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings, scroll down and choose fingerprint, face and password. Over here tap on add face and enter your current login method. When you're ready, you need to choose continue after reading the disclaimer and follow those instructions. Remember to keep your face in frame. Now choose home button, and when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!